And this year, Johan Blake and the team from St. Jago will be honored back then. They were the first team to crack 40 seconds in the 4x1. Right? Jago. Yeah, and as such, we're going to be honoring the second fastest man in the world. Who? The second fastest man in the world? Johan Blake. Champion boy award several years ago. We'll have a reception for him Friday night. Because really and truly, we take it for granted. Just because we have the world's fastest man. We always have the world's second fastest man. And his team is being honored this year. So lots of things to look forward to. Come out and support. And again, make sure you get your tickets for the Labor of Love. I just want to say thank you very much. And Kim, we're going to make the Palestra.
Jamaica.
Alright, Jamaica. Look like Kingston. Look like Puerto Rico Beach. Look like Duns River Falls. But we look forward to the decorations again.